American man dies in St. Anne crash. St. Mary man allegedly slashes own throat. Cops chase carpenter caught with hand through bedroom window. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. The St. Anne police are investigating a fatal crash involving an American citizen on Tuesday. It is reported that the man was traveling in a white Mazda motorcar towards Discovery Bay shortly after 5 p.m. when the car collided with an ambulance that was heading in the opposite direction. The two occupants of the emergency vehicle were transported to hospital for treatment, while the unidentified driver of the Mazda died on the spot. The St. Mary police are investigating the alleged suicide of a man whose family members allege that he slashed his throat after a week of behaving strangely. Relatives say 51-year-old Carl Palmer began cutting himself with a cutlass and knife when he returned home from work on Tuesday. A 35-year-old carpenter from Kingston 8 will have his day in court later this month after he was allegedly caught with his hand through the bedroom window of a premises in Kingston 6. The man, Travis Leslie, is now facing a burglary charge after the incident, which occurred at a house on Dunhead Close in Kingston 6 on Independence Day, August 6. Leslie is from Grantspen Avenue. Reports from the Matilda's Corner police are that about 9:15 p.m. on Independence Day, they received a telephone call informing them that a burglary was in progress. The police report when they got to the location, Leslie was seen putting his hand through a bedroom window and removing items. They allegedly called out to him and he ran. The lawmen gave chase and Leslie was arrested and charges were laid against him. He is expected to appear in the Kingston and St. Andrew Parish Court on August 25.